Hello, folks. Now, are you ready to transform your lives, including your own? Well, the Overcome Your Giants personal development training program is a premium quality, done for you life coaching program that you can rebrand and resell. Now, this comprehensive package focuses on building confidence and overcoming self-doubt, which is essential for anyone looking to succeed in today's environment. With free unlimited updates to the content and sales modules, you'll always have the latest resources at your fingertips. Now, when you purchase the Overcome Your Giants program through this link, you'll receive special free bonuses that complement your purchase. These bonuses are designed to enhance your ability to market and sell the program effectively, giving you even more value for your investment. Now, the ultimate guide to building confidence and overcoming self-doubt is the first bonus. This bonus report provides actionable strategies and insights to enhance the program's effectiveness, and it comes in both PDF and doc formats. Now, since it's Christmas, and Christmas is just around the corner, this is something for your children, and maybe for your adults as well. We are providing free the Great Safari Animal Adventure coloring pages. You can turn these into ebooks and start selling right away. You can receive Safari Animal pages, and they come with unrestricted PLR rights. A great value for you. Now, the vendor for this product is Wealthy PLR Limited, or Profit Experts, and they're known for delivering high-quality PLR products and empower entrepreneurs and coaches. Now, their commitment to providing valuable content is evident in this comprehensive package, which includes everything you need to establish yourself as an authority in the personal development niche. Now, why should you buy this product? Well, there's a lot of reasons. Confidence is a crucial factor in personal and professional success. Unfortunately, many individuals struggle with low self-esteem and self-doubt, which can lead to negative behaviors and hinder personal growth. Now, the Overcome Your Giants program addresses these issues head-on, providing valuable insights and strategies to help individuals build their confidence and take actionable steps toward their goals. By investing in this program, you're gaining a powerful resource to sell and the opportunity to make a real difference in people's lives. Now, there are pros and cons to this program, and there are a number of positives. Positives include comprehensive content. The program includes a 10-week coaching curriculum covering essential topics such as confidence building, overcoming shyness, and boosting self-esteem. It's ready to sell modules with professionally designed e-cover graphics, sales pages, lead capture pages, and personal promotional materials you can start selling immediately. It has unlimited updates, so you can enjoy free updates to the content and sales modules, ensuring you always have the latest information and the resources at your fingertips. And you have full rebranding rights. You have the freedom to edit, rename, and rebrand the content as your own, allowing you to create a unique offering. And there's high profit potential. You can sell the course and keep 100% of every sale, so your investment can quickly turn into a profit. Now, there are a couple of negatives. One being the initial learning curve. For those new to the personal development niche, understanding how the market works and how to sell the program effectively may be challenging. However, the included sales material will guide you through the process. And there's potentially a lot of market competition. While the personal development market is competitive, this package is unique in terms of its content and its comprehensive training, and will help you stand out against the crowd. The sales funnel looks like this. There's a front end between $13 and $17, and depending on when you get into the program, there are 3 upsells for $37. The second one is for $37, and the third one is for $97. But watch for the downsells. You will save some money, but you might get less product. And don't forget that there's free unlimited updates to the content and the sales modules. In other words, you'll never have to pay again for the product updates because they will be free to download with your PLR license. So in conclusion, the Overcome Your Giants personal development training program is an incredible opportunity for anyone looking to make a positive impact in the lives of others while building a profitable business. With comprehensive content, unlimited updates, and full rebranding rights, you have everything you need to succeed. So don't miss out on this chance to empower yourself and others and grab the license now and start your journey to success. Get this license right now by clicking the link below. Now, if you want to know more, click that link below and get the full story. Now, before I go, your free bonuses. So when you purchase the Overcome Your Giants program through this link, you will receive special bonuses. The ultimate guide to building confidence and overcoming self-doubt, and the Great Safari Animal Adventure coloring pages. Both one designed specifically for this particular product, and the other one is for your children and for the adults as well. Now have a great day, folks, and continue becoming the best version of yourself.